The prices are just, today it's 100 naira, tomorrow is 150, so you can't even tell. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite internet tailor back again with another video. I missed you guys, trust me. I missed sitting down here and filming a video for you guys, but it's been a lot going on. You guys know we're experiencing inflation in Nigeria. I recently went to the market to buy sewing supplies because I have like a backlog of work to do. I have YouTube work, I have customer work, I have my own personal work. So I decided to go and buy fabric. And guys, I was shocked. I was shocked. So in this video, I'm going to tell you guys the current prices of sewing supply in the Nigerian market. Just grab a cup of tea because your mind will be blown away. We have a lot, yeah, plenty things, a lot to go through. Okay, before I go into the materials and everything I bought, I'm currently living in Abuja, Nigeria. Abuja is found in the middle belt of Nigeria, so that is where I'm living. So these are the prices for things here in Abuja for now. And I didn't buy it in your famous Wuse market because a lot of people like Wuse market. I didn't buy it in Wuse market. I bought it in the sewing supply shop in my neighborhood. Okay, so we are starting with this lining. Okay, this is a bundle of lining. It's 23 yards and I got this for 5,000 naira. Okay, I bought black lining because I'm always buying, like, if I want to buy black and I end up buying like 5 yards, 10 yards, I always sew black stuff. So I just bought a bundle of black lining. Like I told you guys, I have client work, I have YouTube work, and I have my own personal work. Okay, now let me just get the long things out of the way. I bought this pattern paper. Guys, pattern paper is not expensive. Before, pattern paper used to be 30 naira, 20 naira. Guys, right now pattern paper one is 100 naira. I bought 6 and this is 600 for paper. Akuko, like they say in my village, akuko paper, 600 for 6 pieces. Okay, so let me just go quickly into, I bought organza. I think I got about 3 yards of organza and I got each of them for 350. Where's my other phone? Let me be calculating it for you guys. I got each of them for 350, so 350 times 3, that's 1050 naira. Okay, so this is 1050 naira for 3 yards. I got 5 yards of I got 5 yards of gum stay. Okay, 5 yards of gum stay. 1 yard goes for 170, so 170 times 5, that is 850. Okay, so I got 5 yards of gum stay and that is 850. You guys, I can't even remember the price anymore because the day I went to buy these things, my baby wasn't feeling well, so I was supposed to come back and film it for you guys, but my mind was not just minding, so I've forgotten a lot of the things. I'm just going to be calculating it as we go. Now I bought this skin illusion tool. Okay, I bought this skin illusion tool, this skin mesh. Before I say what I don't know, I bought this skin mesh and I got it for 300 naira per yard and I got 1 yard. Even this 1 yard is too much for me. Okay, now the next thing I got is this sky blue lining. I got this sky blue lining and I bought 4 yards, so 250 times 4, that is 1000 naira. Now this is, before, lining used to be like 100 naira at most. The most, like the top notch quality, used to be like 150. Right now if you don't have 250 or more, go and rest. So I bought 250 per yard and I bought 4 yards, so that's 1000. I got this applique. I have something like this at home. I decided to buy more. I bought this applique. Thank God. Let me bring it a little closer. Can you see this? Yeah, I bought this applique for 500 naira. Yeah, I bought this applique for 500 naira. And the next thing I went ahead to buy was this one. Is another applique. This one is quite expensive. That's poured. I bought this one, this applique. It's like rhinestone. I don't know if this camera is focusing enough, but guys, I bought this applique. They sell 3 of it. The thing has poured. They sell, let me just gather it up first of all because it's expensive. Some places sell 3 of this, of each applique, for 500. Some sell 4, so it just depends on where you're buying for. So I bought the one for 1.5. Okay, I still have more applique to buy. I have like my budget for applique is about 6,000 naira, because I have like I told you, I have personal work, client work, and other things. I bought this Chantilly lace. If you go to Nigerian market, they will tell you it's Chantilly lace. Okay, so I bought this Chantilly lace for, is it 1.5 or 1.2 per yard? I can't remember at this point. I think it's 1.2 per yard. But I also got one. I bought 1.2 per yard, and I got 3 yards. Okay, but earlier this month or last month, I also got about 5 yards at 1.5. So the prices are not stable. So this one I got recently is 1.2, but the one I got earlier last month, I got it for 1.5 per yard, and that one I bought 5 yards, and this one I bought 3 yards. Okay, so the next thing I went ahead to do was to buy a pair of scissors, because one of my scissors is blunt. So I got this one for 450. This thing used to be like 200 before. I got it for 450. The next thing I went ahead to do, is it do? Ah, God, oh. The next thing I bought, guys, see, tutorial. You guys know I'm used to tutorial videos, so I'm always saying do in tutorials, and right now it's not a tutorial. The next thing I bought is doll face fabric. Okay, and I got 1 yard for 600. Now, guys, this thing used to be like 300 per yard. In 2020 it should be 300 per yard, and right now, guys, it is 600 naira per yard. And I got is it 3 or 4 yards? Yeah, I think I got about 600. I think I got about 4 yards of this doll face at 600 naira per yard. Okay, now the next thing I went ahead to buy was this glue gun. Yeah, I had a glue gun before, but one day while I was trying to do while I was making a dress, I left the glue gun on, and it spilled. The gum melted into the compartment of the gun. Okay, and it ruined the gun, so I had to get another one, and I got this for 2,000 naira, 2,500 per, yeah, for this. And I remember when I got this in 2020, I think I got it for like 600 at the 800. Thinking about the thing going on in Nigeria right now, guys, you will just be depressed. So don't think about it. Okay. The next thing I went ahead to buy was this zip. Now, this one, they sold this one for 250 thereabouts, but this one, I think 100 naira or 150. The prices are just, today it's 100 naira, tomorrow is 150, so you can't even tell. Okay, so I got this ones for, I think 100 naira. One, two, yeah, I got this for 100. This black zip, I got this ones for 100 naira per zip, and I got 6. That is 600. But I got this particular one for 200 naira. 200 or 250. I think it's about 250. Yeah. And see, when it comes to zip, the last time I posted a video like this, all of you are like, oh, they cheated you. I know where they said 15 naira. Is that 15 naira zip you buy, and the first time the client is wearing it, it will just snap. So I don't buy cheap zip. Let me even bust your brain. My mom buys zip of 1.5 for one, 2,000 for one. So you should know. So I got these threads. This, of course, you've seen the sky blue lining. So I got this sky blue threads for 50 naira per one. Okay, before, this thread used to be like 3 for 50 naira, but now it is 1 for 50 naira. So I got 4. That is 50. That's 200. Okay, so I'm done with the first bag. Now we're up to the second bag. Yeah, second bag. Okay, so for the second bag, there's one of my neighbors. She sells fabric, so I got this fabric for her. This is 4 yards of I don't even know what this fabric is called, but I got this fabric from her, and I got this fabric for 5,000 naira for 4 yards. Yeah, so I got this fabric for 5,000 naira for 4 yards. I got this doll face fabric for 650, and I got 1.5 yard. Okay, I bought this particular doll face from another seller, and that seller, sometimes she's like, oh, why don't you patronize me? And sometimes why I don't patronize her, because she tends to add like some 50 naira, 100 naira, like that black applique I showed you guys. From when I bought it, where I normally buy it, I buy it for 500, but if I go to her place, she sells it for 800. So if you're buying in the market, just check around so you know places. Me, I know that things are expensive, but sometimes if the main place where I buy from, they don't have particular color that I want to buy, I just have no other choice than to go there, and I let them know that your things are pricey, so don't think I'm not aware. I mean, they know, okay. So I bought this sky blue organza. I bought this sky blue organza for 350. In fact, that she sold the 350. I told her that, see, I actually know you're cheating me, so don't think I do not know, okay. So the next thing I went ahead to buy was this pack of black thread. And this pack of black, see guys, before, pack of thread used to be like 600, but anyways, I got this pack of black thread for 1200. And this pack of black thread is the black thread that is 1000 meters. See, this one is not 1000 meters, okay. This small is not 1000 meters. This one is the big one that is 1000 meters, and I got a pack for 1 2, okay. And of course, I bought this thread for 100 naira, 50 naira per one. The next thing I went ahead to buy was machine oil. Machine oil used to be like 150, 200. People of God, machine oil is now 500. I haven't wanted to buy for my industrial machine. If you guys don't know, I have an industrial machine that I got as my wedding gift, like since 2020. But I don't use it often because the sound terrifies my baby. But now that my baby goes to daycare, I like to use it during the day or at night when he's sleeping. So I was like, okay, let me buy industrial machine oil. It's not like there's no oil in the machine, but there is. So I said, let me just buy and keep at home. You understand? They told me that industrial machine oil is 1.5. I said, okay, bring the container. Let us assume that this is the whole container of the 1.5 oil, which is 1 liter. The container is half. I'm like, it's not full. I want me to pay for something that is not full. They're like, madam, that is how it comes. I'm like, seriously, I can't do this. If I'm going to buy 1.5 for something I know that used to be 500, at least the concom should be full. The container should be full. Anyways, I didn't buy that one. I ended up buying this one because, of course, I use my domestic tabletop machine more than my industrial machine. So I got this machine oil for 500 naira. See, let me tell you people, the inflation in Nigeria right now is heartbreaking. It's heartbreaking. Sometimes I have to tell myself that in this particular lifetime, it's not like I'm reliving my life. It's not like I grew old and went to heaven and reincarnated and came back to Nigeria and in this particular lifetime, like not so far, like some 2 3 years ago, the things were not this expensive. And seriously, my heart goes out to every tailor right now, and that is why you guys need to factor in your profit very well when you are charging your clients. Okay, now the next thing I went ahead to do so the next thing I bought is this peach doll face, okay, because I want to make one very beautiful boo boo with it. Watch out for that tutorial, guys. It's going to be a banger, okay. I bought this boo boo for this doll face for, of course, she sold it for 650, so I got 2 yards for 1300. Okay. What do we still have here? What do we have here? This is the thread for that other doll face I showed you guys, and I got this one for 100 naira. What else again? I bought this polyester Ankara print because I want to use it for a tutorial for you guys. And sometimes when I have a tutorial that I know I might not necessarily wear out, because I want to do it for you guys, I buy like this cheap Ankara prints. Okay, so I got this for 1500 for 3 yards. I know if I had gone to like the shopping mall like Sahad where they sell these things in bulk, I could have gotten like 6 yards for 2000, but you're going to leave it at that. Okay, so I got this for 1.5. See guys, if you calculate all these things, it looks like it's 500, 200, but I've spent over 25,000 naira. And I really don't even want to talk about the one I spent last month or the upper month. See, these are the current prices of things in the Nigerian market now. If you guys want me to be like video updating you people every month or every like 3 months, let me know. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Guys, my channel is struggling. I don't know what's happening. YouTube is not pushing out my tutorials to my subscribers. My subscribers are not seeing my tutorials. So please, if you watch this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Please like this video, please comment, please share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And if you're watching from Facebook, also don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share. Do let me know content you love to see, and I'll see you in my next video. Ciao, ciao.